Hi friends, I'm Silak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this beautiful scale loop analog clock widget on your home screen on any phones. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to get this scale loop Google clock on your any Android device like this? It's a super material designed clock widget, which is really super. To get this clock widget, you just need to update your clock application on the Play Store. Then just long press on your home screen. Then you just need to click on the widget option. After clicking on the widget option, scroll down. You can just need to find the option called clock. Click on this. Now it shows the first option called analog clock, and just long press it and just place it on your home screen. Now it will have some pop-up, and here you just need to select. There is different type of designs. You just need to select the first design I just talking about. It's here. So just long press it, so you can just resize it, and also you can just resize it like this. It also have a dark mode and lighter mode version. It depends upon your current theme mode on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.